Aloha, grader, TA. This is my second attempt at this. I'll just go over what I did my first attempt, but for me to start, that's the wrong one. I already copied my browser history number 2 into browser history number 3. So yeah, browser history number 3. Same stuff, same stuff. So we're gonna open this up right here. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna delete all these because initially I assumed you know how clean this looks, so I assumed these were all tables, and I did this on my own too, but this is different. But I did this one completely different. So let's start the instructions. So I'm gonna make the nav bar first. So the way I did it was I pretty much just messed with the lists order. So just gonna display inline and then not max resolution, sorry. Margin, I also do like 50 pixels. We'll do 49 pixels. I did see that the professor in that WOD video didn't really care too much about how specific all it was, so I don't think it matters either. We'll just 20 pixels for that. And so, if we see this, boom. So we do have our nav bar now. It's pretty clean. Honestly, padding, we could do 10. That's a little cleaner. Okay, the big piece is the 3 sections of the paragraph. So I initially thought that I would just put the Firefox pretty much brief history of each one into its own table section and try to work from there, but apparently that's not how you're supposed to do it. The way you have to do it is to create a division or something, a div for each one. So we're just gonna do that. But in order to do that, we have to assign a class to it. So we're gonna call this left. And then we're gonna do another div. And then we'll just call this one center. Div. And oh, I did on the introduction. Uh-oh. We could fix that. It might look a little weird, but it'll be the same. So we have assigned divs to each paragraph with their assigned label left, right, and center. So from here, we're just gonna go into our our style.css file, and from the video, we're gonna want to we're basically put it in float, which what it will do is, I believe float is that it allows that thing to it's kind of like it just floats, but you could tell it where to go. That is a really horrible explanation. Don't quote me on that. And then you also do want to add padding. I think 1 EM. I forget what that means. just gonna copy these. Center and right. Float. I guess we actually don't need a float for the center because there's no way to float it into the center unless you do like display inline some or display center maybe, but I don't know if that really applies in this sense. In this case, we will just have to use our margins, and 300 seemed about right according to the video, I believe. I'm just gonna put 300. But yeah, let's see how it looks now. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Damn, that's weird. I was not expecting this. You know, just still refreshing. Damn, that is super odd. Let's see. So float left, which that is Chrome. Huh. I don't want to do that. I want to look at the... What just happened? Oh, I clicked on Google. Yeah, why is it doing that? Paragraph. How come this... That is so weird. Want to try like 332? Well, it's gonna have to be 300 width either way, but it's... Damn, that's so weird. Hmm. Dude. Huh. How is it different? What happens if I remove the padding? How do they not? Ah, man, this is hurting my brain. Huh. We could try going order. See, now maybe I'm thinking it kind of depends on what. Let's make Chrome the center. Oh, maybe it's because of those images too. Let's try. I'm gonna try 100 for the images because they're giving me a really hard time. I mean, I'm not sure if it's gonna make a big difference, but hey. No, but see, now it's this. So, in order for it to work, you do need to kind of choose which order to go in. Okay, that is a little odd. Um, and we could probably just put in that padding. That looks pretty good. Yeah, that actually looks really clean. But yeah, I guess that'll do it for the WOD. uh, yeah, that looks about right. That looks exactly the same. Alright, well yeah, that's my WOD for the day. Thank you.